ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Norwich, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Today's session outlook, again, let's have a look at the US dollar. It's clinging slightly higher on its recent gains against basket major currencies. That's mostly on the worries around the US President Donald Trump. And of course, the doubts among traders that he could be unable to deliver the promised fiscal boost. Of course, future traders right now are pricing in around 49% chance that the US Central Bank will raise interest rates in its June meeting, down from 71% on April 6th. This is, of course, according to CME Watch, Fed Watch tool. Now, there is a lot of fundamentals coming out today, mainly from Europe and US. Also, we have retail sales out of the UK. For European Union, we're looking at the current account and market services PMI, housing data out of the US, of course, Baker Hughes oil rig counts, and also existing home sales. Now, let's have a look briefly here on the charts, how the currency pairs and commodities that we're looking at pricing in right now. US dollar, euro versus US dollar, it came off its recent highs. That was mostly on the shooting in France that pushed the presidential elections for 23rd this week on Sunday. And it actually invalidated the uptrend, which was confirmed from 1.0740, and of course the double top formation brought it down to the 50 exponential moving average. And of course we're looking at a sideways direction. British pound against dollar, we see roughly sideways direction, no major movements over there on the lack of any kind of major fundamentals on a day-to-day basis. Of course, looking at increased volatility today, probably around the retail sales that's coming out in roughly an hour time. Dollar yen stable. On the sidelines, hovering around the 200 exponential around 109. And of course, it could be also expected to move within the channel of the 15 to 200 exponential, as this is going to be ahead of the key market composite data later into the trading day. Let's have a look at gold prices first. They slid basically, mostly on the higher dollar, stronger dollar, and of course on the risk aversion, which of course is building among traders right now. More interesting, however, is crude oil prices. They fell below the $50 mark. That happened on yesterday's trading session. Of course, it managed to pull up back above the 50 mark, and right now is testing that key pivot area. Of course, if it slides below it, we're looking for further downside direction. And of course, if it manages to stay above it, roughly around 51.40, we could see some resume upside. That, of course, would be one of the data that's coming out today as oil rig count from Baker Hughes. We will see what the data will show, and of course, we will know how the market will price for the next week. So that's it. That's all for today. I'm going to see you again on Monday, same time, same place, with the latest market updates. Thank you for watching. See you then. Bye-bye.